Guys, this is Bless Bones Auto Garage. Hola, ¿cómo están? Este es Bless Bones Auto Garage. Estoy aquí porque tengo un problema con el vehículo y es el ajuste de lo que es el cable para los cambios de velocidad. It has to do with the cable to adjust the shift, when you change from park, reverse, and neutral. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have Miss BBA here. Hello. She's gonna be my assistant with that bad guy there. And she is going to switch between the gears and then we'll see what happened. Miss BBA aquí va a ser mi asistente con ese perro feo.
With my duck.
Ella va a ayudarnos a chequear lo que está ocurriendo. Okay, so go in reverse. Póngalo en reversa. So right now the car is in reverse, right? But what's happening is that reverse is not coming in and we thought it was the transmission. Está en reversa, pero reversa no está entrando. Creíamos que a lo mejor era la transmisión. Pero fíjense lo que va a ocurrir ahora. Póngalo en neutral ahora. Now reverse is on. Ahora reversa está activada. Entonces, el problema es que en neutral es donde entra reversa. And I think it has to do with the fact that the adjustment needs to be made on the actual shifter cable right here. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. I'm going to set it up. So I'm gonna explain to you guys how to adjust the shifting cable. Les voy a explicar cómo ajustar el cable de cambios de este Toyota RAV4 2006. This is the 2006 Toyota RAV4, and again the issue is that the shifter is not giving us the right shift, right? So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to explain the best I can what's going on. Voy a tratar de explicar lo mejor que pueda lo que está ocurriendo. Okay, so this is the cable right here that when you select the gear, like parking, reverse, drive, second, first, it moves up and down, right? As you move the what do you call the stick, right? Whatever, it's automatic transmission. This moves up or down. Right now, the transmission here, I have it on neutral. I like manually put it in neutral here, and the cable right now is in parking over there in the cabin. Okay, so este es el cable que se mueve cuando usted hace los cambios, la palanca de cambio, ¿verdad? Se mueve para arriba. Ahorita mismo la palanca está en parqueo, está acá abajo. Cuando la palanca sube a reversa, neutral, va subiendo. Esto que está aquí es la velocidad de la transmisión y yo lo moví manualmente, lo desconecté de acá. I disconnected it from here in order to try to see what's going on, right? So I'm gonna have Miss BBA show you guys what happens when she shifts from parking right now into reversed and then neutral, right? Le voy a decir a Miss BBA que ella le mueva la palanca de parqueo a retroceso y después a neutral. Ok, Miss BBA, reverse, retroceso. Is there? Yeah. That's reverse? Yeah. Why is it going back? That's reverse, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Ese es reversa. A little bit of miscommunication. De un poquito de mala comunicación ahí. Now move it to neutral. Neutral. All right. So as you can see there, once you move it to neutral, right, is aligning a little better, right? But I don't think it's perfect. So I'll show you guys what happens here when I manually change the transmission. Le voy a mostrar lo que pasa aquí cuando yo manualmente muevo la transmisión. Ahorita la transmisión es en neutral right now. Right now the transmission is in neutral. If I push it down, one click, now is in reversed. If I push it down one more, now all the way down, that is parking. Cuando lo empujé todo hacia abajo, esa es parqueo. Okay. So again, this is right now in parking, right? Si subo una, va a moverse a reversa. Hold on. I think, yeah, I went too much. This is reversa, neutral, a drive, and third, because third is done by the shifting in the cabin, porque tercera la da lo que es el cambio, allá la palanca de cambio, right? And then it goes, sorry, this thing is hot. Second, right? And then low speed, which is the last one. Velocidad baja, que es la última. Entonces está, right now it's in low speed. I'm going to move it back to second, right? Segunda. Drive. This is drive, right? Then it goes into neutral. Then it goes into reverse. That's reverse. Then it goes into parking. That's parking, the last one here. Ese es parqueo. Entonces ahora quiero poner en neutral igual que el cable. So I'm going to put it back one up. Oops, hold on. I think it went too much. Nope, it's good. Okay, reverse, neutral. Right. So we have it in neutral here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the cabin inside and show you guys what needs to happen to adjust the cable inside. Ahora voy a ir a la cabina y les voy a mostrar cómo tienen que ajustar el cable dentro de la cabina. My assistant BBA is not that, Miss BBA is not that happy because I took her out of the car. Okay, so let me show you guys how it is. So I removed the console here. Removí la consola de acá. And this is where the cables for the shifting is on. Aquí es donde están los cables del shift. Como usted ahorita mismo la palanca está en neutral. Right now this is in neutral, right? This thing is in neutral. If you guys see here, once I switch, I'm gonna switch to reverse, right? You see it going forward, and then parking, right? So that's what moves the cable that you guys saw up and down. Esto es lo que mueve el cable que sube y baja, right? So right now it's in parking. I'm going back to reverse, right? I'm going back to neutral. Now, this is something here, guys, that nobody has in YouTube. Esto es algo que nadie tiene en YouTube. Why? Because I've been going crazy trying to find it. Porque me he vuelto loco tratando de encontrar y nadie lo ha podido encontrar. Why? Because the instructions out there in the manuals are wrong. Porque las instrucciones en los manuales que hay están equivocadas. De hecho, yo tengo el manual de Hayes, creo que se llama. I have the manual from Hayes, and it tells me to do something with this thing here. It says here, it's pointing to something that looks like this here, but nothing to do with something like this. So it's not very clear. So I guess that's why people get confused. But I'm going to show you how you adjust the cable. So basically what you have to do is you move this green thing up. That's why it has the spring there. Básicamente lo que tienes que hacer para ajustar el cable de acá es mover esta cosa verde hacia arriba. me try here again. Once you move it, okay, sorry about that. Once you move it up, right, then you can see the gap in here, right? You can see the gap here. Now, pueden ver el espacio que hay aquí entre la verde y esto, right? And now all you have to do is somehow, you know, if you have long nails, you can do it too. Si tienes las uñas largas también lo puedes hacer, but you have to push this up, right? So I'm gonna push it up. See how it comes. Oops. Oh, I went too much here. Lo hice demasiado, pero that's the idea, guys. All right, it went out too much now. Hold on, let me fix it. All right, guys, so I fixed it, right? So pretty much now it went out, right? So once you take it out, once this is out like that, una vez que esto está aquí, look what happens to the cable. Mira lo que le pasa al cable. Si yo muevo la palanca, right? Look at that thing. If I move it up, you see how that cable, you know, you can actually slide the cable in and out, right? So if I pull the cable, si jalo el cable, tú puedes ver que el cable tiene juego ahora, right? So that's how you adjust it. So now what you do is like, what we're gonna do here is put this one in neutral again, right? So right now it's in parking, reverse, neutral, right? And I'm gonna go back to the car y voy a regresar a la transmisión del carro y voy a asegurarme que el cable ahora lo conecte a la palanca de la transmisión que está en neutral. Now I'm gonna make sure that the cable that I disconnected, I connect it back with the stick being in neutral and the transmission being in neutral. Con la palanca aquí estando en neutral y la transmisión manualmente la movía en neutral, you know, now we're gonna connect the cable back, okay? So let me do that and then I'll get back on here. Déjame hacer eso y regreso. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys can see there, right? I know it may be hard to see. Yo sé, espero que puedan ver de ahí. Creo que se mira, pero right now what I'm going to do is going to take this cable right here. The cable from the stick moves it, right? El cable que la palanca de cambios la mueve. I'm going to bring it in here, right? Lo voy a traer acá, lo voy a meter. Right? Now it's in there. I put the nut here. Le pongo la tuerca esta. Okay. I hope this is gonna do it, man. Espero que esto resuelva el problema. I hope that this is gonna fix the issue. Okay. No. Se movió, no quería que se moviera. It's gotta stay neutral. Okay, guys, so now that we have attached the cable to the lever that the transmission has, all we have to do is check the cable here. It seems to be all the way up, right? Ahora que ya conectamos el cable al brazo ese de la transmisión, ahora lo que podemos hacer, ahora ya este cable lo estoy jalando para arriba. I'm pulling the cable backwards as far as it goes. Estoy empujando el cable hacia atrás lo más que se pueda. And now all we have to do is push this thing in. Y empujamos esto ahora. And that is it. Y eso es todo. So, vamos a ver si esto funcionó como creíamos. car turns on. Let me see. I'm stepping on the brake. I'm gonna go reverse now. It didn't go.
No.
So that did not fix it, guys. Let me try now neutral. So that means it's not pulling the cable.
Yes.
Interesting. So that did not work, guys. So I thought honestly that this would have done it. Realmente pensé que esto lo iba a hacer. But in any case, this is how you adjust the cable. So de cualquier manera, esto es como tú ajustas el cable. And I hope you guys find that useful. Espero que lo encuentren que les sirva. And I will update you guys to see how I ended up fixing this. Los voy a actualizar a ver cómo terminé arreglando eso. Miss BB-8. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.